Well, good morning to you too, Rooster. Alright, today I have a fun lesson for you. We're gonna learn 3 idioms with the word domino. Don't worry, you don't need to use these idioms to play domino or talk about dominoes. Actually, we use them in business. The first idiom is to have all your dominoes lined up. To have all your dominoes lined up means to be fully prepared for something. To have everything organized, well planned, and in order. Those dominoes are all perfectly lined up. And here's how you can use it in a sentence. Before the presentation, we made sure we had all our dominoes lined up. It means we were very prepared before we did the presentation. Idiom 2, the domino effect. The domino effect means that one situation that happens in one place will eventually spread to other places. So, the domino effect of the economic crisis in the US affected the industries worldwide. That means that one event can cause a series of similar events. Just like the domino. When you knock down one piece, it will knock down the next piece and the next and the next and the next and the next pieces. And the whole set or structure of dominoes topple. What's the meaning of topple? Fall down. The old building toppled when it was hit by an earthquake. Now we come to our last business idiom, which is to fall like dominoes. If things fall like dominoes, they fall very rapidly. So this refers to a rapid succession of events, the rapid destruction of something. For example, when the bad news broke, the stock prices fell like dominoes. One stock price fell, then the other, then the other, then the other, then the other, very rapidly. So yeah, it's similar to the domino effect. Which domino expression is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. My favorite idiom is to have all your dominoes lined up. Actually, there's another idiom in English without the word domino. It has nothing to do with dominoes. That means the same thing. Do you know what it is? If you know it, say it in a comment. Tell me, have you ever played dominoes? I love it. I don't speak Spanish.
You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. So this was such a fun lesson to make. If you enjoyed playing with the word domino, subscribe to my channel for more lessons like this to learn real English from my real life.